Hello, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Every portrait tells a story, not just of the face we paint, but of the culture, the emotion, and the traditions behind it. Today, I will guide you through creating this watercolor portrait of a traditional Indian woman while sharing the symbolism behind her jewelries and color and expressions. So, let's begin. I have already made a light sketch of the portrait to make the process easy. I start with a light wash for the skin, building layers gradually. The key with watercolor is patience. Never load too much pigment at once. Let the water do its magic. Notice how the color comes alive as shadows define the cheekbones and jawlines. These subtle gradients create depth. For watercolors, less is more. I selected warm tones like red, pink, and a hint of earthy brown. Red is not just a color. In Indian culture, it symbolizes strength, love, and sacredness. It brings life to her lips, her attire, and the aura of celebration. Eyes are the soul of the portrait. I used red watercolor to carefully outline the eyes, giving them intensity. A hint of black after the red shade will add depth and warmth to the corners of the eyes. Her gaze feels calm yet powerful, as if she carries untold stories. When painting, remember balance sharp outlines with softness inside. To bring harmony, I added soft wash of pink in the background. This prevents the portrait from looking flat. The final highlights will shine on the lips and sparkle in the jewelry, making the painting feel complete. The jewelry is where patience pays off. Using fine brushes to work, I highlighted patterns on the nut and mangtika, tiny dots and lines with paint to create the texture. The dupatta border is decorated with repeating motifs, a meditative process. Every line whispers tradition, reminding us of generations of artistry woven into fabrics. This isn't just a portrait, it's a tribute to women, their strength, their traditions, and the timeless elegance of Indian culture. Art allows us to pause and admire these details, to honor the beauty and identity and expression of woman. I hope you enjoyed this watercolor journey with me. If this portrait touched you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. And tell me in comments which part of Indian culture inspires you the most in this art. Till then, bye.